my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottles of whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow.